Hey folks, thank you for joining me on another tutorial. This one is about find, replace, and copy and paste, and of course paste special. We're going to look at that as well. So let's get right into it. I created a spreadsheet here with some transactional data on it. It's got the date of the sale, the customer, the items sold, the quantity sold, the price per unit, and the total price. So this is basically just it's random stuff. It's based off this inventory spreadsheet that we were using in the earlier tutorial. So if I want to basically find, let's say, 123 company in this data, obviously I can see it, but let's say we had 10,000 lines, we might not be so lucky just to see it. So we come up here to edit, and we come down here to find and replace. And we want to find 123 company. Each time we find it, it'll go to the next instance that 123 company is in the spreadsheet. And it'll eventually go right back up to the top. When we get down to the bottom here, as you can see, it goes right back to the top. Back to 124. So, if we want to replace, let's say, 123 company with 456 Incorporated, we can do that. We can replace one, or we can replace them all at once. Quite easy. It'll say replacing all sheets. Are you sure? Yeah, sure. Why not? Okay, let's do it. There's no reason why you can't, because you can always hit the undo button. So that's basically find and replace. If you want to find and replace, let's say we want to do something with nails. We want to find and replace the nails after, and we want to replace nail with half-inch nail. So we go find and replace, and we highlight the area that we want to find and replace these items in. And we want to find nail, or actually, even better, 0.5 inch nail. So now it's a box of half-inch nails. We're going to replace them all, and it just replaces them all within the highlighted area, as you saw. You can also match a case. Matching case means if this was lowercase, it's not going to find it because those nails were in uppercase. Match entire cell contents means it has to have everything in the cell. So let's say we wanted to find inch here. Inch, it will find inch for us. See? But if you want to match entire cell contents, it won't find it. There are no entries matching inch. You can search using regular expressions. You can also search within the formulas. So if there's formulas here, it'll search within the formulas, and you can change things in the formulas. This is very helpful. If you got a formula wrong and you want to change everything in a formula, all the formulas at once. Maybe instead of cell or column C, you want them to go, the formula would go to column D. So you search within formulas, you find C whatever, and then replace it with D, and it does that. And you can also search within links, and of course, that is what it is. So we're done with that. Next, I want to do copy and paste. So copy and paste works like this. You select an area you want to copy, and you can do it several different ways. You can right-click and select copy. You can go up here to edit, select copy, or you can hit Control-V, and you can't, or Control-C rather, and you can't see my keyboard, but I'm going to hit Control-C, and it copied it. How you know it's copied is because it's highlighted and there's a dotted line around it. Come over here, and we can paste that. And it pastes it just exactly how it is. Formats, everything. Everything that was numbers is numbers. Everything, formulas are formulas. And, of course, everything is relative. So the formula over here is multiplying quantity sold times the price per unit. Same with the total price over here. It's also doing the same one, except it's this one, this column L, column M. So let's say we don't want the total price anymore to be a formula. We want that thing to be just the number itself. We can go to copy paste special, and we can do values only. or we can do the formats, or we can copy the formulas, etc., etc. We'll get into conditional formula and data validation later on in a future tutorial, but these ones here, these first three are very helpful. Values, format, and formula. I use them all the time. So copy, paste special, values. Now you see it's 100. It's not a formula that reaches 100. It's actually 100 as if I typed it in myself. Anyway, if you found this helpful, please hit the thumbs up. I have no other way of knowing if people are liking the content. And I hope to see you on the next tutorial. So thanks a lot. Next time we're going to be talking about formatting our spreadsheets. Thank you.